Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart Talk English. I'm Sam, and today we're talking about something we all experience every day, our feelings and emotions.
And I'm Ayesha. Have you ever wanted to explain how you felt in English but only knew words like happy, sad, or fine? If yes, this episode is for you.
Today you'll learn natural expressions that real English speakers use in everyday conversations.
So relax, listen carefully, and let's improve your English together.
Ayesha, let me ask you something. When someone asks, "How are you feeling today?" What's the most common answer you hear from English learners?
Most people simply say, I'm fine, or I'm happy. Those answers are correct, but they don't really describe the real emotion. They sound safe, but not very natural.
I agree. Imagine you finally pass a difficult exam after months of studying. Saying, "I'm happy" is okay, but saying, "I'm absolutely thrilled" shows much more excitement.
Exactly. You could also say, I'm over the moon. It's a very common expression that means you're extremely happy because something wonderful has happened.
I remember when my cousin got his first job. He couldn't stop smiling. Every time someone congratulated him, he looked even happier.
That's the perfect moment to say, I'm thrilled. One stronger word makes your English sound more confident and much more natural.
That's why learning emotional vocabulary is so useful. It helps people understand not only your English, but also your feelings.
Now, let's look at the opposite situation. Suppose you've planned a picnic all week, but suddenly it starts raining.
That's disappointing. I probably wouldn't say I was heartbroken. I'd simply say, "I'm feeling a little blue."
Exactly. Feeling blue means you're a little sad or disappointed. It's a soft and natural expression that native speakers use all the time.
But if something much more serious happens, like losing someone important or ending a relationship, you might say you're heartbroken because the emotion is much stronger.
Let's be honest. Life isn't always easy. Sometimes work, study, and family responsibilities all arrive at the same time.
That's when people often say, "I'm feeling overwhelmed." It means you have so many things to do that you don't know where to start.
Another useful expression is, I'm on edge. It describes those days when you feel nervous, worried, or easily annoyed.
I think we've all had days like that. The important thing is knowing how to express those feelings naturally in English.
Now let's finish with something happier. Imagine you're going on your dream vacation next week.
Oh, I definitely say I can't wait. It's one of the most common expressions for excitement.
You could also say, I'm counting down the days. That tells people you're looking forward to something very special.
And after the trip is booked, you might even say, "I'm on cloud 9." That's a wonderful way to describe extreme happiness.
Sam, imagine I just called you and said, I finally got the job I've always wanted.
That's amazing. You must be absolutely thrilled. I'm really happy for you. You've worked so hard for this.
Thank you. Now imagine I didn't get the job instead.
I'd probably say, "I'm really sorry. I know you're feeling a little down right now, but don't give up. Better opportunities will come."
See the difference? Those expressions sound much warmer and more natural than simply saying, I'm happy or I'm sad.
Before you go, think about your own feelings today. Are you excited, relaxed, overwhelmed, or maybe feeling blue? Try saying it in English.
And tell us in the comments using one new expression from today's episode. Small changes like this can make a big difference in your speaking.
Thanks for listening to Smart Talk English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember that every new word helps you express yourself more naturally.
Take care, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.